welcome back to my channel. It's Sandrine, and today I'm giving you guys a fall makeup tutorial, so stay tuned and keep on watching. But before we get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell so you can get notified whenever I post. So first we're just going to start with my e.l.f. primer. Shout out to Lena, she told me about this. It's gonna be small. And I already did my eyebrows. If you want to see how I do my eyebrows, go to my channel and just, check it out, because I think I did a video on it. But if you guys want a newer video on how I do my eyebrows now, just leave a comment down below and I will hook you up. Next, we're going to use my backup concealer, so you can keep my eyeshadow in place. I'm just going to take a little bit and put it on my eyelid. So then we're going to go to the eyeshadow. I'm going to be using the Morphe palette, the Revolution palette. I got this from Ulta. And the Juvia's Masquerade palette. The reason why I'm using 3 of these is because they have different colors in here and I want to use them. So that's why. So first, we're going to be using the Morphe one, and we're going to be going with the color, we're going with this orangey color. Hopefully y'all can see it. This. I'm not a professional, but that's what I'm going to be doing first. I'm going to apply it around the crease section. That's where we're going with this. We're going to be using this color. I'm just going to go. So now we're going to go with the yellow in here. I'm going to put it in the front, all right here. Need to bring this closer. We're just gonna do the other eye and then I'll be right back. Now I'm done with my eyeshadow. Now we're going to my foundation. My everyday all-time foundation is Fit Me and it's 330. The brush first. Now we're going back to our backup concealer, where we're gonna just put it under our Now we're about to contour. I use this for contouring. I got it from Walmart. Let's listen to some music.
Say production.
Powder, banana powder. I got this from Ulta too, but I poured mine in this little thing. So if you're wondering why am I using it, oh god. This messes up all my clothes. While we let this bake, let's listen to some music and jam. So now we're going to clean it up. So now I'm just gonna line my lip. We're almost done. I don't usually line my lip, but when I feel like it, I'll line it, like right now. And then I'm gonna use this lip stick. Where we go? It says sleep later. This is how it looks. The colors like this. It's not the only one I'm gonna be using, guys. So don't come for me. brows, I did my lashes, and I did my hair. I hope you guys like it. I'm not a professional, but I tried, girl. So yeah. So this is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoy it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave your comment down below what you guys thinking about the look, and I'll be happy to read them. Thank you. See you guys next time.